Namaste. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to join me for my meditation routine. For my morning routine, I'll be balancing my chakras with a 5-minute Tibetan bowl meditation. For me, I find that meditating at the start of my day helps me to ground my energy in order to focus on tasks as well as protect myself from the various sources of energies we encounter on a daily basis. We have 7 chakras that are essentially energy centers located along our spinal cords. They act as an energy wheel that have specific responsibilities to aid us in functioning at our optimal energy level. We'll explore our chakras and their meanings and their functions in another upcoming video. When meditating, you can either lay down, sit cross-legged, or on a chair, or even stand up. When it comes to your hands and what they're supposed to do, you can meditate with your palms up, which means you'll be receiving energy. When you meditate with your palms down, you're blocking energy out and you're going further within. For this meditation, I'll be sitting cross-legged with my palms up to receive the energy in order to balance my chakras. I highly recommend meditating in nature because not only is it naturally peaceful, but you're also taking in the high vibrations of nature. Now, let's begin. As you meditate, be sure to focus on your breathing. When you breathe in, extend your stomach to take in as much air as possible. As you breathe out, bring your stomach in to release all of the air you just breathed in. Throughout the meditation session, do this continuously. For me, I found that this helps with an overactive mind because your mind tends to wander, and also as you're focusing on something, your mind wanders less as you're focusing on your breathing. Now let's begin.
sun has been kind to you. You're 24K, yeah. But the sky's never gray, never gray. If we build a house in paradise, will we get to heaven still? If we don't have to live through hell just to get to heaven, I'ma stay right here with you till the hurricane comes, till the tsunami comes. I found my goal now. You're 24 again. You make it bright when it's gray. My golden girl, the sun has been kind to you. You're 24K, yeah. But the sky's never gray.